Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khalil, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the steps on how to reset your Cricut Icon Plus 2026 model. This device is very easy to reset. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. As you see, this device has a passcode. We're going to restart the phone or turn it off. You want to press the volume up and the power to get the option to power off the device. Press the power and the volume together. Then go ahead and reboot or turn off the device. Once the device is turned off, you want to press the power and the volume up key. So press and hold the volume up, then turn on the device. As soon as it comes on, release the power and keep holding the volume up key. Right here, you want to make sure the recovery has the arrow next to it. Then press the volume down to select the option. It will take about 5 to 10 seconds to reboot and take you to the recovery screen. You want to scroll down to factory data reset. Press the power key to confirm. Scroll down to the second option and press the power key once again. Once that is done, you can go ahead and reboot your device by pressing the power key, and it's going to reboot your phone. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this tutorial helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.